Myself Chaitanya Dalal, father of Janvi Dalal, grade 9.
Myself Aparna Dalal, mother of Janvi Dalal. Proud to say that we are the part of schools since 2009.
Journey begins from her nursery to grade 9 till now, and we are the part of this wonderful growth.
The way TSS focus on each and every child, growth is phenomenal.
TSS not only focus on academic developments but also strives to build strong values, core ethics in the child by nurturing them in extracurricular activities, sports, stage courage, music, and arts.
School Hawkeye techniques make sure the fulfillment of future needs with soft skill development, foreign languages, computer skills in the child.
We
We
are
are
proud to
proud
be
to
the
be
Stepians
Stepian
and
and
the
the
journey
journey
so
so
far.
far.
All
All
the
the
best to
best
the
to
TSS
TSS
family,
family,
respected
respected
ma'am,
ma'am, sir,
sir, all
all
the
the
teachers,
teachers,
and
and
none
none
other
other
than the
than
support
support
staff.
staff.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
सर, मैम एंड ऑल टीचर्स, आपने आज मुझे यहाँ पे मौका दिया है स्टेपिंग के लिए बोलने के लिए। अगर स्टेपिंग की यादें नहीं है, यादें उनको बोला जाता है जो हम भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो भूलने का नाम ही नहीं होता है, क्योंकि स्टेपिंग एक सिंपल सेंटेंस में मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ आपको। स्टेपिंग मेरी कर्मभूमि है और मेरे बेटे की पुलकित की जन्मभूमि है। शायद इसी में सब कुछ आ जाता है कि अगर हम इतने सालों से जुड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पे जुड़ने के लिए मैं थैंक्स बोलूँगी ग्रोवर मैम को, क्योंकि ग्रोवर मैम ने ही मेरे करियर को यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था। तो थैंक यू, एंड वहाँ से कंटिन्यू करते हुए मैं अभी यहाँ तक आ गई हूँ।
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ketki Belsare and I am the mother of Neil and Nishta Belsare, who are studying in 8th and 9th standard in Stepping Stone School. I feel that schooling and education are an important part of a child's life, and I feel happy and satisfied today that I chose Stepping Stone School for my children. My father is associated with this school since a long time, and he has seen the devotion and dedication and hard work of principal ma'am and sir, and so that is why he advised me to admit my children in this school. Going down the memory lane, today I remember the first day of my children in the school. They were quite nervous, and because they were 15 days late for the school. So I had met Aparna ma'am, the coordinator, who was the coordinator at that time, and I shared my concerns and my worries about the completion of their work. So she assured me that I will take care of everything, don't worry, and it happened so. After that also, whenever I had any problem regarding their studies, Principal ma'am and sir were quite approachable and they always had an answer to my questions. Regarding Neil, my son, he never liked dancing. But he surprised me one day, that is at the carnival, when I saw him dancing with his friends very well. So that was all because of the encouragement of his teacher. What I like about Principal Ma'am is that she is full of zeal and enthusiasm and excitement, and always like to do new things for the children. And that may be the theme assembly, what I have seen, then the various acts or the skits the children perform on various occasions. It may be the global village, it may be the carnival or the annual day function. So ma'am is really, she thinks a lot about that and gathers a lot of information about that, and she sees to it that it all goes on well. The setting up of cyber cell in the school or the healthy tiffin workshop, she is equally excited for it, and all this she does in the interest of the children and all round development of the children. So on this special day, I show gratitude to this noble profession of teaching, and I wish them a very happy Foundation Day.
Myself, Sunil Walimbe, father of Dhruva Walimbe.
Myself, Sharayu Walimbe,
mother of Dhruv Valimbe, grade 9. We are proud to say that we are a member of TSS and his journey began with playgroup.
TSS not only focus on academic but also it focus on extracurriculum and sports and many more. School not only focus on some children but they look at each and every child with same point of view. So growth is seen in all children. So we are proud to say that we are member of TSS family.
And we thank our respected principal ma'am, director sir and all teachers and supporting staff to always be with us.
Thank you and all the best of our school's future. Our school is the best, better than the rest. Thank you.
Hello, we are parents of Shubhra Magar and we are really thankful to Stepping Stone School. Last year when we came back from outside, Stepping Stone School really helped us to get the admission very easily and hassle free. So that was really great. Thank you very much. We are seeing Shubhra really enjoying her time in Stepping Stone School, so which is really good for us. She's learning a lot of things and teachers also taking good care of her, so that is really great. Thanks a lot for that.
We really appreciate the efforts taken by the school in current situation of COVID-19 pandemic. They are making sure that none of their students, their studies are affected because of the situation. So we are really thankful to the school. Thank you so much for everything you have done for us till date.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Radhika Mode, the PTA member of the Stepping Stone School. 3rd July is the foundation day of the Stepping Stone School. So I wish happy foundation day to all TSS's team. I congratulate to school for a big success till today and all the very best to school's progress in future. कहते हैं स्कूल एक मंदिर होता है और सब टीचर्स भगवान। सच ही तो है, TSSS इसका सबसे अच्छा उदाहरण है। स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल और डायरेक्टर सर और सभी टीचर्स बहुत ही अच्छे, फ्रेंडली और एक्टिव है, लेकिन उतने ही डिसिप्लिन भी है। स्कूल में साल भर में पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़, कंपटीशन भी चलते हैं। इसके लिए सब टीचर्स बच्चों के साथ मिलकर बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, बहुत मज़े भी करते हैं। ट्रिप्स, पिकनिक, स्पोर्ट डे, कार्निवल, गैदरिंग्स ये सब अरेंज करते हैं। स्कूल में सभी त्यौहार मनाए जाते हैं। सब बच्चों को आगे बढ़ने में, उनकी प्रोग्रेस होने में स्कूल का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल और डायरेक्टर सर हम सब PTA मेंबर्स के साथ मिलकर स्कूल के सभी डिसीजंस शेयर करते हैं। PTA मेंबर्स को भी स्कूल में एक्टिविटीज़ लेने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करते हैं और उन्हें सपोर्ट भी करते हैं। बच्चे स्कूल में हमेशा बहुत खुश रहते हैं। इस कोविड-19 के सिचुएशन में स्कूल बंद है। ऑनलाइन सेशंस में बच्चे अपने टीचर्स और फ्रेंड्स से मिल सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, लेकिन अपने स्कूल को वो बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं। बस यही प्रार्थना है कि ये सिचुएशन जल्दी से नॉर्मल हो जाए और फिर से सब बच्चे अपने स्कूल जा सकें, क्योंकि हमारे प्रिंसिपल मैम, डायरेक्टर सर, सभी टीचर्स और स्कूल भी बच्चों का बहुत इंतज़ार कर रहा है। हर साल स्कूल का फाउंडेशन डे बहुत धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है, लेकिन इस साल ये दिन हम ऑनलाइन ही मना रहे हैं। इसी ओकेजन पर वंस अगेन हैप्पी फाउंडेशन डे द स्टेपिंग स्टोन स्कूल। थैंक यू।
गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल मैम, डायरेक्टर सर एंड टीचर्स। मैं प्रियंका शाह, छात्रा अदिति शाह की माँ हूँ। आज 3 जुलाई हमारे स्कूल का वर्धापन दिन है, इसलिए मैं आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। आज मुझे स्कूल के बारे में कहने के लिए विशेष तैयारी की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ी और आज जो बात कहूँगी वह मेरे दिल से निकली है। मैं इस स्कूल से 8 सालों से जुड़ी हूँ। मेरा अब तक का अनुभव बहुत ही बेहतरीन रहा है। इस स्कूल का नियोजन और अनुशासन मुझे बहुत पसंद है। प्रिंसिपल मैम, डायरेक्टर सर और शिक्षकों ने सब इस स्कूल को बेहतर बनाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है। बच्चों को अच्छे संस्कार, समय का पालन करना, हर काम समय पर पूरा करना, पढ़ाई, खेल, नृत्य, संगीत सभी में उन्हें हमेशा प्रोत्साहित किया है। यह स्कूल हमेशा बच्चों को नई टेक्नोलॉजी, नई चुनौतियों का सामना करने के लिए तैयार करती है। मैं सभी अध्यापकों को विशेष रूप से धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, जो हमेशा इतने धैर्य से और प्यार से हमारे और बच्चों के लिए हमेशा तत्पर रहते हैं। हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे बच्चों का भविष्य सुरक्षित हाथों में है। मैं इस स्कूल की बहुत आभारी हूँ और रहूँगी। ये स्कूल हमेशा ऐसे ही तरक्की करती रहे, यही मेरी शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, all teachers, staff of the Stepping Stone School and everyone here. So myself Mrs. Sumedha Doshi, mother of Rahil Doshi, grade 5, would like to wish you all a very happy Foundation Day. On this occasion, I would like to humbly put forth my vision on entire TSS's team, standing from discipline to the personal care they take of individual students like their own kid. Any issue, if any time raised, it is regarding sports, regarding health, regarding any new addition in the school, regarding studies, it is always addressed and resolved immediately. This is a very plus point of the school and team and principal ma'am. Also, I would like to mention here, when Rahil had health issues 2 years back, the whole school took care of him, giving him very homely comfort. So, and we wish TSS team a very bright future and exponential growth in schooling activities and all prospects. Also, I would like to mention, in this situation, they are also taking good efforts and arranging Zoom session and taking care of students and their studies. So it is really appreciable. Thanks once again, and thank you all the team and principal ma'am for their support, and wish you all the best for the future. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone. Today it gives me a great pleasure to be sharing my experience with the Stepping Stone School. Somewhere I have read that quality is more important than quantity. So it's been just 4 years that I'm associated with the school, when my daughter took admission in the pre-primary section. Post that, through the innumerable experiences that I have gathered whenever I have interacted with the school management, the teachers, the support staff, or anyone associated with this institute, I've always had a very enriching and learning experience. Good, bad, whatever, let's not put names to it, but it has always been a very fulfilling experience. So here I am, just trying to put everything in a capsule and share it with you. The first factor that I felt was the human touch. The personal factor, the human factor, which percolated starting from the school management, across the academic staff, the support staff, onto the children, and then reached us. Every time it gave such a nurturing atmosphere for these young minds that it left a very lasting expression in my mind. The second factor is that the schools, their ability to be open to feedback, something which I think in our busy lives we are losing out from. School has always been open to feedback, in terms of whether it is a very mundane feedback or it could be something extremely extremely different or something that nobody had thought about, but they are willing to give a ear to the feedback that comes to them, which is a very, very positive trait that I have experienced. The third factor I feel is because of maybe this too, this is an awesome teamwork in the school. So together with parents, keeping children in between, and the academics and the school together, we have made such a vibrant and beautiful learning place for the young minds. This is seriously extremely encouraging for these young minds in today's world. The overall curriculum, developmental studies, etc., that keeps happening, they are a part of the school and they are considered to be the heart of any good institute, and they are very well taken care of. I personally, as a parent, I'm quite happy with the fact that we have Pearson with us, and this has given us such an empowering tool for our young minds. And with this, all I would like to say is, as a part of PTA member for some time now, my interactions with Principal Ma'am and the Director Sir and the other members together of the academics has been extremely vibrant, fun, and together we have learned and shared so much of our personal learnings and improved this pool of knowledge with which we can actually take our children to a much better situations. So
hello everyone and a warm welcome. With regards to our respected Director Sir and Principal Ma'am, it gives me immense pleasure to speak few words on this special occasion, the Foundation Day of TSS. To start with, TSS, a dream come true school with utmost love and care. TSS was founded by Mrs. Mamta Grover Ma'am, our founder Principal Ma'am, on 3rd July 1999. This is a milestone for the strong pillars of the school, that is our Director Sir, Mr. Rajiv Mendiratta, and Principal Ma'am, Ms. Ritu Mendiratta, towards their gratitude, courage and commitment for the school, and their utmost love and unconditional support that they give to the staff, team and the children. I would like to take this opportunity to wish TSS a very happy Foundation Day, and proud to be associated and being a part of TSS and having a wonderful journey.
Good morning, my name is Ekta Verma and I was working with TSS, but it's my pleasure that still I'm a part of the Stepping Stone School. There are three main pillars of TSS. Our respected founder principal, Mrs. Mamta Grover Ma'am. She creates the base of the Stepping Stone School and gave the right direction for the development of the school. Our director, respected Mr. Rajiv Mendiratta, he always tries to work for the excellence and innovation in education field. Our beloved principal ma'am, Mrs. Ritu Mendiratta, she doesn't compromise when it comes to maintain quality. They give full attention on the teachers' growth for the growth of students. I wish the school to grow with success till many more years. Thank you.